Just out and just wonderful, the 1957 Chevrolet. There's fresh new design plus new fuel injection engines that deliver up to 283 horsepower.
Chevy didn't just build a car in 1957, it created an American icon. It's apple pie and the 4th of July with the power of a V8. The last of the Tri-5 Chevrolets introduced several changes, including the twin rocket trim on the hood and the large tail fins on the back, making it revolutionary in its day. Today, it makes the 1957 Chevy Bel Air among the most recognizable U.S.-built cars of all time. For Rance Rays, restoring this Bel Air to its original old glory meant if the chrome needs to shine, it needs to be stainless steel. Under the hood, there's a 350 cubic inch V8 with turbo hydromatic 700 R4 overdrive transmission. Even if you don't know what it does, you know it sounds cool. And this Bel Air is pure American cool.
Number 1 in the USA, the 1957 Chevrolet.
Rance, I'm calling shotgun.
Okay, you got it.
Nice looking car there, young man. Nice looking car.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a solid shut, man.
Shut's easy, huh?
It's solid. It sounds
I know.
solid.
Nothing like today. Piece of tin today.
Taking this bad boy out.
When you look out at that hood too, huh,
Yeah,
Tom?
that's awesome.
I mean, it's you know, you don't see that in a new
You got
car.
the rockets.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, it's just feels like it's longer than most vehicles that you drive in today. And the windshield is so much shorter, you really can't see red lights. You gotta look like this to catch a red light.
Well, I'll tell you, if I'm driving in this car, I don't want to see red lights. I never want to see a red light in this car. One thing that doesn't stop is the memories that this restoration brings back for Rance. So this was like your first car?
This was like my first car. My dad bought it for me when I was 15 years old.
15.
$300.
What's your fondest memory in a 57 Chevy?
My car wasn't looking like this,
Yeah.
okay? So whenever you were dating a girl or you met a new girl, I used to scratch phone numbers in. Like I'd pull down the visors and I'd put their number there, or I'd open up the door and I'd scratch it in the primer of the door.
You didn't have paper as
No,
a kid?
we just scratched it in the door. I mean, you know.
Scratch the phone number to the door?
Yeah, I mean, nostalgic. You know, you could always say, well, what's that number? Grab me that number again.
You used your 57 Chevy as a notepad?
Yeah, it was one of those things when you're 15 years old, Tom, you know?
So when you decided, you know what? I think I want an old car, there was only one model you could get. It had to be,
It had to
that.
be this. And you know, the thing is my brother-in-law, Bobby, he said, brother-in-law, why don't you rebuild a 57? He says, because I can remember us as kids, you coming over to date my sister, and we used to go peeling out and everything.
Your
and
wife now.
My wife now, yes.
Could you have romanced your wife if not for your old 57 Chevy?
No, probably not. You know, I mean, that was the car I had, so, you know, this is what we dated in.
You had your future brother-in-laws in the back seat.
Yep.
You had your wife in the front seat.
Yep.
And you had numbers from other girls written all over the car.
Yeah, but she didn't see them while we were riding. Come on, Tom, I can't, you know.
I just wanted to get the picture.
Yep.
And then to entertain the little brothers in the back, you would peel out.
Yep. Peel out, use that 4-speed Muncie, man. Wow. Now, I
How
will tell you.
How long you guys been married?
42 years.
42 years.
42 years. And the funny thing is when I was rebuilding this car, she told me, hon, you can do it. She says, just don't tell me how much it costs. And you know, to this day,
She doesn't know.
she doesn't know. And she don't want to know.
There is one other thing his wife probably doesn't want to know. How
Also,
fast have you got this car up to? Come on. No.
110. I I'm not going to tell you where.
110?
Because they might be looking for me next time.
You did it once.
Did it once. Yeah.
How long did it take you to redo this vehicle?
It took me 2 years and 2 months. My sons, I have 2 boys, and both of them helped me rebuild a car, and they both love the car, okay? But my grandbaby Wyatt, oh, Tom, he's just infatuated with it. It's like he'll sit in this front seat with me, and he'll say, Papa, go, go. And it's like, it's just fantastic to see the eyes of that little baby, you know, enjoying this thing. Let's go riding in the Chevy.
In the Chevy.
In the Chevy. And he says, jet speed, Papa. Jet speed. Yeah.
What's jet speed?
I don't know. He just wants me to go fast, you know. He tells me he's 3 years old. Jet speed, Papa.
Jet speed, Papa.
Jet speed?
Jet speed, Papa.
Jet speed, Papa.
Jet speed, Papa.
But I definitely enjoy riding in this car and having the people just say how nice it looks. I mean, it just brings joy to you, you know?
What I'm getting from you is that even though you had great times when you had your original 57, you're having better times now with this 57 because of having the family and that grandson.
There's no doubt. No doubt.
So basically, your 57 Chevy has just turned into a family affair.
Yes, it has.
That 15-year-old's first wheels has now become a vehicle that brings generations together and binds them together as a family. Wow, you clean up well, sir. As the American Classic delivered his nephew's bride to their wedding, it's clear that the 57 Chevy Bel Air is part of Rance's family, adding another memory to the generational story of a family and a car. When you get in a car, you kind of know where the road is going to take you. Get in a car like this, the destination could be anywhere. Stay driven, my friends.